Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, we have completed practice set 2.5. Now, today, we are going to start 2.6, that is, word problems on quadratic equation. Students, it is my strict warning to all of you to please complete the homeworks which is given to you in the previous class. If you are not doing the homeworks and not sending me the pics, then I will take some necessary actions against you. Okay? Now today we are going to solve word problems. So first you all keep your textbook with you so that you can see the question properly, and after seeing the question try to understand what is there in the question and try to formulate the equation by your own. Okay, so let us do the exercise. Okay, let us see first question of practice set 2.6. See the question properly. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. So what you have to find out? Her present age, that is Pragati's present age. And what is given to you? Product means what? Multiplication. Multiplication of what? Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years after. Hence means after. So if you do multiplication of 2 years ago and 3 years after age of Pragati, you are going to get 84. That is the condition given to you, and you have to find out present age. Okay, so let us see the solution, how to solve. First we are going to consider that Pragati's present age x years. Okay, so let us do that. First what we are going to write, let Pragati's present age be what? X years. Okay, understood? Now 2 years ago Pragati's age. What will be Pragati's age 2 years ago? That is, you have to go 2 years back, that is x minus 2. Understood now? If your today's age is 14 years and if you want to go 2 years back, that means you are going to subtract 2, so that you are going to get 12 years. Okay, so that is why we have subtracted. Now what is there in the next condition? 3 years hence, that is 3 years after. What will be Pragati's age? 3 years after, that means, see, your present is x and you are going to move 3 years after, that is x plus 3. Okay, now by given condition. What is the condition? Product of 2 years ago and 3 years hence Pragati's age, that is, you are going to multiply these two, x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3, and if you do multiplication, what you are going to get? 84. Okay, now let us simplify this and write this in standard form. So let us do that. First multiply this x into this bracket, x plus 3, then minus 2 into this bracket, x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now multiply. X gives you x square, x 3 gives you 3x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 3 gives you minus 6. Now take this 84 to left hand side so that it becomes minus 84. Okay, so what you are getting here, x square 3x minus 2x gives you x only, minus 6 minus 84 gives you minus 90. Okay, now what, you need to make two parts of minus 90. Got it now? 3x minus 2x 1x, and 6 minus 84 both are negative, so you are going to add and put the minus sign. So 84 6 90. Now you need to take two parts of minus 90 such that after subtraction you are going to get 1. So it is very simple, you know, 10 9s are 90, and if you subtract you are going to get 1, and you need plus 1, so 10 minus 9 gives you plus 1. So now solve it. X square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is 0. Okay, 10x minus 9x. Now make pair of 2. What is there common? X. So x plus 10. Here minus 9 is common. So if you take common, x is remaining here, and this is my x 9 10 ja. So x plus 10. Okay. So put x plus 10 in one bracket and x minus 9 in another bracket. Now in the next step, you know, either x plus 10 0 or x minus 9 0. So in this case you are going to get x is equal to minus 10, and here x is equal to 9. Now students, you all know that out of these two one value is wrong. Why? Because what is your x? Pragati's present age, and age cannot be negative. You cannot say that Pragati's age is minus 10 years. So this value is wrong and this value is right. That is, Pragati's present age is what? 9 years. So let us write your answer, that is, but age cannot be negative. Okay, but age cannot be negative, therefore x not equal to what? Minus 10. So x not equal to minus 10 means what? Your x is 9, and if your x is 9, that means your final answer, that is present age of Pragati is how many? 9 years. Okay, so we have completed first question. Now see second question. The sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers is what? 244, and you need to find out the numbers. Now what is given to you? Two consecutive natural number. See, consecutive means what? One after other. Okay, and you need to take two consecutive natural number. So suppose your first number is x, then obviously your second number will be x plus 1, because you have to go one step ahead. So that is why you are going to add 1. So let us consider, let two consecutive natural numbers be x and x plus 1. Students, there is little correction in this question. Sum of two consecutive even natural number word is there. So here even natural number word is there. Even numbers, you know, divisible by 2. So if your first number is 2, your next number will be 4, next number will be 6. So that is, you have to add plus 2. So here, let two consecutive even natural number, okay, even natural numbers be x and x plus 2. Understood now why we have taken here plus 2? Because if your first number is 6 and you want to get 8, then what you are going to do? You have to add plus 2. So students, remember, whenever there is even, odd, that means you are going to add plus 2 only, because if your first number is 1, then you need to add 2 to get your next odd number. So that is what you have to do. Whenever there is even number or odd number, you have to take x and x plus 2 only. Okay. So let two consecutive even natural numbers be x and x plus 2. Now what is the condition given to you? Sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number. So you have to take sum of what? Squares. So take square. So x means x square and x plus 2 means x plus 2 the whole square. So sum of squares, okay, of two consecutive number is what? 244. So this is the condition given to you. So here you are going to write by given condition. So by given condition you got this. Now what you are going to do? You are going to simplify this to get your quadratic equation. So let us do that. Keep your x square as it is. Now see, this is what? A plus b the whole square. And what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the square of x? X square plus 2ab means what? 2 2 is 4x plus what is square of 2? 4 is equal to 244. Now let us simplify this. X square becomes 2x square plus 4x is there plus 4 is there. Now take this 244 to left hand side so that it becomes minus 244. Okay. Now this is 2x square, this is 4x. This 4 minus 244 if you do, you are going to get 240. Okay, that is you have to subtract 4. So if you subtract 4, you are going to get 240. Now see, all the numbers are divisible by 2. So divide it by 2. So here you are going to get x square. Here you are going to get 2x. And here 120. Understood now what we did? We have divided by 2. Okay. If you divide by 2, you are going to get here 1. Here 2 2s are 4. And here 2 1s are 2 2s are and 0. Now what you have to do? You have to make two parts of 120 minus 120 to get 2. Okay. So your two parts should be such that their subtraction gives you 2. So it is very simple. 12 10 you know 120. 12 10 and you need plus 2. So if you do 12 minus 2, you are going to get 2. So see how to simplify. This is 12x, this is 10x minus 20, 0. Okay, 12x minus 10x in between and first and last number as it is. Now make the pair of 2. What is common here? X. So here you are going to get x plus 2, 12. Here minus 10 is common. Again same thing, x plus 12. You can see 12 10 ja. So 10 12 ja. Keep x plus 12 in one bracket, x minus 10 in another bracket. So either x plus 12 0 or x minus 10 0. So here you are going to get x is equal to minus 12 and here x is equal to 10. Now see, minus 12 and 10 is your answer. Okay. And what is here? Two consecutive even natural number. So both the numbers are even, but which one is natural? This one. This one is not natural. So we can write here, but minus 12 is not a natural number. You know natural numbers starts from 1. So this is not a natural number. That means your minus 12 value is wrong. That is not equal to minus 12. So what is your x? 10. And if your x is 10, then what will be your x plus 2? That is 12. Okay. So you can write your answer that two consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12, which you got here. Okay. So that will be your final answer. So two consecutive even natural numbers are what? 10 and 12. Understood? So this is the way to solve your quadratic equation. See, first what you are going to do, you are going to put your late wala statement, and then by using condition write your quadratic equation, and after solving you are going to get, always you are going to get two values. Out of these two values, one value has to be wrong. And how to understand which one is wrong? By using this your first line. Okay, and then you are going to remove that first one value, and then you are left with another value, and after that you are going to write your final answer. So these are the steps you are going to follow whenever you are solving exercise 2.6. okay, now in today's class I have solved each and every quadratic equation. Now after today, that is after after this lecture, I am going to write just quadratic equation, and after that solving part you are going to do by your own. Okay, now you are going to complete your notes by writing these two questions. Okay, that's it for today. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.